Ekuseni namhlanje umholi we-DA namalungu enhlangano yakhe kanjalo nongoti wezindaba zezisebenzi obeyisimenywa uMichael Bagram bebenesithangami kuhlaziywa umthelela ozokwenzeka ngokulahleka kwemisebenzi ngomthetho ohlongozwa uhulumeni omaqondana nesilinganiso sokuqasheka kwabantu ngendlela elinganayo ezinkampanini. Uhulumeni ufuna ukuthi zonke inkampani eziqashe izisebenzi ezingaphezulu kwama-50 zilandele umthetho ngokuqasha ngendlela egculisayo kubhekwe nebala.
We believe that this is going to fundamentally constrain a number of things. Firstly, the ability of businesses to expand. Secondly, the ability for us in an environment where we have an expanded unemployment rate of around 42% and the largest youth unemployment rate in the world, it's going to make that unemployment crisis even higher, and it's going to really add to the burdens of load shedding and many of the other friction costs that are inhibiting economic growth in South Africa.
Ongungoti wezindaba zezisebenzi uthi lo mthetho ngeke uze ube impumelelo.
So what does the communist minister do? He then creates a situation where we are now having more and more stranglehold on the business community. It doesn't work, it can never work. We saw the same with iDA, what he did to the Indian community those many years ago. It won't work.
Izinyunyana zezisebenzi nezinkampani ezengamela amabhizinisi eNingizimu Afrika nazo ziyawuhlaba lo mthetho ohlongozwayo.